This is the Perkins 20 kVA generators. Okay, HP 4 cylinder. So today I am giving a review about this DFC controller, and as you can see, this is the Perkins 20 kVA generator HP. Okay, that's using this fuel injection pump, and this is the fuel injectors, and this is the fuel stop and on solenoid. This is the throttle adjustment of this governor. This is the fuel lift pump, mechanically fuel lift pump, that's operated by the camshaft, as you can see. And as you can see, this is the low oil pressure sensor, and this is the wiring to this fuel stop solenoid. Okay, let's control the rake of the fuel on and off. Okay, just only. So fuel filter, so let me, as you can see here, this is the engine model. Okay, GN model. GN model is a very perfect engine. Okay, some is HP, some is GN. This is the GN model. Okay, so this is the control pin. So let me try to start. As you can see, this controller, this is the DFC, and I guess the model is 4510. As you can see, 4520. So let's try to start. As you can see here, we have on starting delay, just 10 seconds. This is the complete overview. For part 2, check complete this. I'm making another video for it, explaining all how to adjust the parameter and on and off the delay safety. So thanks for watching. See you all next time. Goodbye.